All right, on this video, love to just talk about video and probably the importance of it and the effectiveness of it and how much fun it can be if you want to maybe give it a shot. Now, if you're watching my video and you don't mind being on a webcam like this where you just turn it on, put a light in front of your face, or maybe you got good enough light, you go outside and maybe walk around or drive around, or everybody does video differently. But if you don't mind being on the camera and talking a little bit and maybe discussing your thoughts, your opinions, your life, your hobbies. And then of course, if they're business oriented, you got to bring up, okay, here's my product. This is what I'm trying to sell. This is what I want you to click and watch. Okay, and with this company, LiveGood, obviously, if you got a couple bucks, you can buy a hat. If you got 75 bucks, you can buy a webcam. And there's ones that are cheaper and ones that are just crazy amount. But I use one it's called Logitech, and I think they're very common. It's a C920. Every week, I usually get at least one or two questions. Hey, how are you making video? What do you do? What do you recommend? And I just say, guys, either use your cell phone and you can record in selfie mode where you can kind of see yourself. Or if you want to put your phone obviously on record, you can't see the screen when it's not in selfie mode. But if you don't mind just talking on a couch or maybe getting in back of a steering wheel, I think it's called a car or a truck, or maybe go in your garage, maybe set up some patio furniture. Maybe you got one of those chairs that you use in your backyard in the summer. And if you have one in your garage, just go in the garage. That way you're away from either your husband, your wife, your kids, your dog, your pet giraffe. Sometimes maybe if you go in a bedroom and just shut the door. Even if you live by yourself, you get embarrassed, you get shy. You're like, oh, I hate my voice. I hate the way I look. And most people don't. They just want to know, what are you selling? What are you talking about? What's this picture mean? And I'm talking about, if you're going to post about LiveGood, you're going to probably get a hat. You can buy some shirts. They're pretty cheap. And you can wear them while you talk. So people, if they're watching you, they can kind of concentrate maybe on your head, on your noggin. The LiveGood logo, it's pretty memorable. It's pretty easy. I got a green hat. We have like 4 or 5 different colors. I had a green shirt on today, so I thought I'd wear my green hat. It's going into Christmas, so I went to that dollar store. And you can see the decorations. I don't know, I spent like $5 or $10 or $20 on Christmas decorations, and I just hung them with care. So, and then after Christmas, I'll take them down and maybe I'll put up some other decorations of another holiday coming up. But you can just get Post-it notes or maybe a pad of paper. I'm a big fan of pad and paper. I just like to write things down, maybe liner notes, and talk about this, talk about that, talk about a new product that might be coming out, maybe some ideas how to post on Facebook and Instagram, maybe talk about artificial intelligence, and just talk about, okay, the opportunity is $40 and $9.95 a month. If you have $49.95, you can join LiveGood and be an affiliate. But what's an affiliate? I always say it, and I forget that a lot of people that don't do online business, you're like an affiliate. You're affiliated to what? What does that exactly mean? You're affiliated. You're aided with something and you're filled up to the brim. And an affiliate basically, to me, means that you can earn some money by talking about, cheering for, recruiting, supporting the mighty LiveGood. All right, I talk about the products, and if you join as a member, the company will give me a commission, a bonus. All right, if there's product retail sales, if people buy wholesale, if they want to go ahead and join. All right, if I'm an affiliate, if you join right now, if you're watching me, I make $25 and I get paid next Thursday, every Thursday. And how the $25 is broken down, if you're an affiliate for $40, the company gives me 20, the company gets 20. Out of the first $9.95, the company gives me 5. Okay. And the company takes $4.95. So $5 out of the half of the $9.95, $20 out of half of the 40, 20 plus 5 is 25 bucks. And if I'm an affiliate, I get paid that. And if I get 10 people signed up next week, 10 times 25, hey, I got 250 bucks. If I sign up 2 people over the week, all right, I'll get paid 50 bucks. That's an affiliate. It's pretty cool. And it's all figured out for you, by the way. You're going to start probably making money. Probably, I can't guarantee. I always got to do disclaimers, but I'll tell you what, if you do what I do and just post every day, post every week, make it fun, talk about products, talk about the opportunity, but not bore everybody to death with live good, live good, live good. I post a lot on my Facebook page, but I also put all my live good together because I'm even more successful by combining my personal life with live good. I think people, they get the feeling that they know me. And I hope they do, because I have nothing to hide. I have my cell phone. I have my email address. I have had those 30 years now, I think, 25 to 30 years. Easy. Emailing, I got into, I think, America Online around 1994, and I bought CoryDraper.com and Cory at CoryDraper.com. I've had that since 1994, and it's almost 2024. All right. Same with my cell phone number. I don't care. I'm not going to get anybody, if someone's going to stalk me or try to find me and they want to take my Christmas decorations, I'm like, well, hey, let's just go to $1. I got 20 bucks. Let's just go buy $20 of decorations and we'll put them on your wall. And then let's just make some videos. But the more real you are, transparent, if you have hobbies, talk about them. And you don't have to put your social security number in your kids. If you're a single mom, I don't want your address out there and a bunch of maniacs running after you going, hey, what's up? All right, here's my number. Give me a call. Let's go out. I get it. But I just encourage you to do video. If you don't mind, I think video puts a little bit of gasoline on that fire. I think it helps you in any business, not just live good. I think any business, boy, if you don't mind doing a video, at least where the video is pointing outward. Maybe it's your voice they hear. Maybe you just want to film stuff and then go to like Fiverr. Just spell the number 5, Fiverr, and then put another R at the end, Fiverr.com. I know a lot of people, they have videos made there for cheap, or maybe some voiceover stuff where people read. Why you don't mind putting slideshows of pictures, or maybe about your life walking around, or talking about products, but it's not your voice because you hate your voice. You hate the way you look. I get it. Everybody's different. But please look into video. I think it'll help you. No doubt, there's a lot of successful people that just do emails. Some people just post a lot on social media. The trick is to post a lot. But how much is a lot? As much as you want. You can't overpost about live good. You just can't. And if you're embarrassed about posting about a company or products like this on your Facebook page, I get it. I don't. None of my friends give a rat's ass. I'm into heavy metal, rock and roll. I love going to the pool, jumping on wave runners. I like motorcycles, trucks, car shows. I love rock and roll, AC/DC, Kiss. But then again, I love disco and the Bee Gees and man, I love music. I mix it all up. No one cares what I do. Like, okay, you're posting about live good. I'm not your friend anymore. Okay? If you can get to the comfort level that I have, where I love to talk about live good in my personal life, I love to do video, I love to just do emailing, and if I do it every day, it seems to work. All right, I've been able to get into the top 20 of the company out of 800, 900,000 people. And I think if I just keep posting like this and having fun and doing little videos and little posts about the opportunity, the products, money being made, maybe a new product that's coming out, I think that's going to be eventually my steps to the top 15 into the top 10 of the company. And that makes me feel good. It just, I guess it's my plan, and I don't really have a plan. I do the same thing every day. And if I get a sign up, great. If I get 3 signups, great. If I get no signups, great. I still post, and sooner or later, someone's going to watch a video or see one of my posts and go, I'd like to look into live good just for products. And if they want to be an affiliate, it's only $10 a month, $40 one-time fee, $10 a month. Everyone can afford this. Philippines kicking buns. Good job, guys. Africa, India, Canada. All right, man, Europe. There's so many countries in this opportunity, 225 if I remember right. And we're doing about 11 million bucks a month of products and membership sales. Awesome. I think we're at 825,000 people right now paying 10 bucks a month and being members and affiliates. Impressive. We're not even a year old yet. Okay, December 13th coming up in a month or two. That's when we say happy birthday to ourselves, slap ourselves on the ass and go, good job, guys. But I'm going to post every day the same. And you know what? My downline gets bigger every week. My paychecks get bigger every Thursday. We even get a bonus pay. We get paid every Thursday 4 times a month, and then we get a bonus pay. And you guys can look at all that under the comp plan. But if you want to join, guys, or you're interested, please watch both videos below this. There's links that say joincory.com and workwithcory.com. I want you to look at both. Because if you like what you see, I want you to do the same thing I do. Invite people to watch links to videos. Done. There's nothing else to do. Seriously, there's nothing else to do. Maybe buy a hat, maybe buy a shirt. Just learn how to market differently and post every day. Make it fun, make it uplifting. I think you'll be all right. But everybody posts differently. This is just what I recommend to you, especially in the beginning, okay? All right, my contact information, like I said, is below. Please watch the links, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and bookmark my Facebook page. And let's high five. All right, it's almost dinner time for this kid. So anyway, thank you for watching my videos. Seriously, I have a lot of fun and live good. Okay, we'll see you soon. Have a good night. Okay, bye.